Construction is underway near the intersection of routes 404, 18, and 113 in Georgetown. A temporary solution.
It is a Band-Aid for now, yes.
To a major problem. Today, DELDOT met with residents offering 5 alternative plans to help fix congestion and safety issues, including overpasses and ramps.
That we're trying to show the public right here, labeled A through E. We're trying to receive comments, supporting and opposing, take all of them into consideration, and hopefully pick an alternative out of the bunch and move forward with in design.
One resident had a concern with the lack of traffic lights on all 5 plans.
I don't see a light here. We need a light here. None of these plans have a light.
DELDOT says some traffic lights would do nothing to help the problem.
Lights will bring up more congestion and more accidents. This, depending on where they're placed.
As for pedestrians,
any of the major intersections that cross 113, I don't really know how safe they are to walk across.
So will DELDOT address the walkers in the 5 plans?
Some of those alternatives actually are better multimodal for bikes and pedestrians, and some are not so preferable to them. So that's something that the public can take in consideration as they support or oppose a certain alternative.
Construction of the chosen plan will not begin until 2023, but crews are hard at work now, trying to make things a little better until then.
We're adding additional right turn lane, yes, to get onto 113.
In Georgetown, I'm Timothy Parker for WRDE, Delmarva Zone, NBC Station.